Hi, this is Tania and welcome to my channel Chef Tania's Rannaghar. Let's prepare delicious creamy mushroom gravy. This dish is prepared with tomatoes and onion base, saucy mix along with fresh cream and spices. Now clean the mushroom thoroughly as shown and slice it. Add the mushroom in water when small bubbles appear and boil it for 2 minutes. Fry the onions in butter and oil. Keep in mind it should be light brown in color. Add ginger and garlic paste and tomato paste. Now it's time to add some spices such as salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala and sugar. Add splash of water to prevent dryness. Fry the capsicum and mushroom in butter for 2 minutes. Add the fried capsicum and mushroom when the masala release oil. Add half a cup of water, cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now add fresh cream and kasuri methi and simmer for 2 minutes. At last add some coriander leaves. Now it's ready to serve. Mushroom makhani is a great choice of side dish for roti and rice meal also. See you again on next video. Till then, tata.